Hello students, I am Nijar Das and currently working as a teacher in an English medium school. So already duta chapter I discuss কৰিছো digestion and respiration, and today we will discuss about transportation. যোনটো অসমীয়াত ক'লে ক'ব পৰিবহন. So transportation দুটা পাৰ্টত ডিভাইড কৰিছে ক্লাছ 10ৰ তোমালোকৰ বুকত. এটা transportation in human being, then transportation in plants. So আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম about transportation in human beings. আমি যদি কৰবালৈ যাব লগা হয়, সাপোজ ইয়াৰ পৰা তালৈকে আমি কেনেকৈ যাওঁ, গাড়ীত উঠি যাওঁ বা ট্ৰেইনেৰে যাওঁ, তেনেকৈ আমি এঠাইৰ পৰা আন ঠাইলৈ যাওঁ. সো আমাৰ ভিতৰ যোনবোৰ অলৰেডি ডাইজেষ্টিভ চিষ্টেমত আমি পঢ়িছোঁ যে কি হয়, ফুডবোৰ ডাইজেষ্ট হৈ যায়, এবজৰ্ব হয়, স্মল ইণ্টেষ্টাইনত কি হয়, এবজৰ্ব হয়. সো সেইবোৰ গোটেই চেলছলৈকে কেনেকৈ যাব? অফক'ৰ্ছ সেইবোৰ গোটেই চেলছলৈকে কিহে লৈ যাব? ব্লাডে. সো discuss korim about transportation. Okay, so mainly transportation or logot duta fluid involved thake, and mainly duta fluid involved thake. And what are these two main fluids? Means jun duta fluid or through amar food ba oxygen, means gutei kini amar nutrients ki hoy he duta fluid or through diye amar cells leke jai. So these two fluids are eta to whole blood, tears, and second to whole lymph. It to whole lochika. Ita first ami sam bloodot ki thake, tezot ki thake. Okay, so bladder composition jodi ami sao, bladder jodi components means that ki thake jodi sao. First to whole bloodot thake plasma and second dot kisuman formed elements. Means ki thake formed elements bur? Yes, of course we know this RBC, WBC aru hol platelets. Okay, so these three formed elements are present in our blood. Kintu sobotke beshi juntu thake hetu hol plasma, and plasma again 90% of water thake. Okay, so 90% water and 10% some ions like calcium ion, these are present in plasma. These RBC, WBC and platelets are suspended. So now we will discuss about what are the functions of RBC, WBC and platelets. Okay, so RBC, yes, of course we all know RBC to ki boli koy, respiratory pigment. Then why this is respiratory pigment? Because in respiration already we have discussed that oxygen to ki hoy goi pine glucose to bhangi pine amak energy diye. Means it oxygen goes to the cells and there it breaks glucose and helps in the release of energy. So hey, oxygen to the cell like jai along with blood. So blood jaute ki hoy, in RBC the oxygen bounds. Okay, so oxygen RBC logot bound hoy pine it travels to the cells, and that is why RBC means red blood cell is considered as a respiratory pigment. Tar mane RBC ki hot help kore? It helps in carrying oxygen to the cells. Okay, so next to them WBC function sao. WBC function ki hoy? This is white in color. RBC is red in color because that at a pigment ke hemoglobin aru he hemoglobin to karne ki hoy blood color to red hoy. Then WBC is white in color. Okay, so WBC basically amat ki hot help kore, means it helps in providing defense to our body. Jetia amar kiba bemar hoy ba suppose kiba infection hoy gol tetia ki hoy WBC it acts like a policeman. Police or he guard diye, and so it helps in the means it provides defense to our body. Okay, so next is the platelets. It helps in coagulation. So platelets helps in coagulation. Jete amar kiba injury hoy ba amar suppose hat katile ki blood flow hoy thake, because inside the about blood vessels we will discuss. Okay, after a few minutes about the blood vessels we will discuss. So blood ki hoy inside our body kisuman enaka vessels or মাজেৰে পাছ হয় means inside some pipe like structure তেনেকৈ ব্লাডবোৰ ফ্ল' হয় in human beings okay so সেই যেতিয়া ইনজুৰি হয় বা suppose ইয়াত কাট হৈ গ'ল then blood যোনটো ফ্ল' হৈ আছে সি ইয়াত কাট হৈ যোৱাৰ লগে লগে কি হ'ব ব্লাডটো ওলাই আহিব so সেই ব্লাডৰ ফ্ল'টো আমি ষ্টপ কৰিব লাগে and to stop that these platelets helps in coagulation মানে হি ব্লাডটোত কি কৰে ক্লট ফৰ্ম কৰি দিয়ে and as a result bleeding stops so platelets is very important so plateletsৰ এমাউণ্টটো যদি ব্লাডত কমি যায় then you can imagine কি হ'ব পাৰে আমাৰ ব্লাড ষ্টপেই নহ'ব কেতিয়াবা যদি কাট হৈ যায় তেতিয়া আমাৰ কণ্টিনিউৱাছলি ব্লিডিং হৈ থাকিব and we will not be able to stop the bleeding so this is about the blood means blood composition to ami salo next lymph লক্ষিকা so lymph ki hoy blood or nisna eta tissue fluid so blood is eneke it helps in transportation of various nutrients as well as oxygen teneke lymph ki kore transportation help kore but basically jetia digestion hoy means carbohydrate breakdown hoy pine glucose le convert hoy then proteins breakdown hoy pine amino acids le convert hoy and fats are fats breakdown hoy pine kisuman smaller fat molecules le convert hoy lymph carries the absorbed or digested fat okay jikhini fat along with food digest hoy ba absorb hoy hey fat khini hey absorb fat but digested fat khini ki he carry kore lymph so lymph function to simply likhile it carries digested or absorbed fat okay then again function of rbc wbc platelets so function bur enike mark kori pine moi likhi disu so platelets is junto coagulation or process ot help kore means clot formation or junto help kore etu eta mechanism ase keneke clot form hoy about this you will get in higher classes but for now you have to just know that platelets helps in formation of blood clot or it helps in coagulation so next we will see about blood vessels a blood vessels burki and ki types of blood vessels ase jundu kwa hoy rokto nolika so in human beings because we are studying about transportation in human beings so ami human beings ore ki type of blood vessel ase sam we can divide the blood vessels into three types first one is artery and second one is vein then third one is capillary okay so artery kwa hoy dhomoni then vein kwa hoy hira and capillaries kwa hoy rokto jalika so blood ki hoy artery মাজেৰে veins or মাজেৰে capillaries or মাজেৰে flow হয় in human beings we have closed circulatory system open circulatory system closed circulatory system etu pisot in details paba tumaloke but ki hoy eta means eta system or blood to flow hoy genitally any flow no hoy means inside some means the blood flows inside some vessels মানে কিছুমান পাইপ লাইক স্ট্ৰাকচাৰৰ মাজেৰে হে ব্লাড টু ফ্লো কৰে আৰু হে তেনেকে যেতিয়া ফ্লো হয় হেতু কোৱা হয় ক্লোজড সাৰ্কুলেটৰী সিস্টেম মানে এটো এটা ক্লোজ স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ ফৰ্ম কৰি থাকে artery veins and capillaries or ki difference ase and ki functions hoy these are very important even tumalokor board exam to yar para questions ahibo pare so ami likhim about the functions so artery first function to hall it carries blood from heart these are functions okay it carries blood from heart and artery carry oxygenated blood all the arteries carry oxygenated blood except one artery that is known as pulmonary that is known as pulmonary artery. এটা কোনডাল pulmonary artery আমি চাম third function is that valves are absent in artery so valves মানে হল ইয়াত কপাট নাথাকে মানে ধমনীত কপাট নাথাকে আৰু ইয়াত অকল অক্সিজেন যুক্ত ব্লাড হে ফ্লো হয় ধমনীৰে অকল অক্সিজেন যুক্ত ব্লাড হে যায় আৰু অকল ক্লোমধমনীৰ বাহিৰে বাকি যিমান ধমনী আছে আমাৰ দেহত তাত অক্সিজেন যুক্ত ব্লাড হে ফ্লো হয় next is vein so veins are function it carries blood to the heart carries blood to heart so it is you can make a table that difference artery and veins are basically difference hude capillaries no hudilo artery aru veins are difference to jana to both basic important so ekhon table banai bene tumalake note kori lobo para so it carries blood to the heart difference to me compare so first difference then second is that it carries deoxygenated blood mane jiman hira ase ba jiman veins ase deoxygenated blood mane it carries only deoxygenated blood except a vein known as pulmonary vein so etar difference means only jodi artery difference kini tumalake memorize kori loa then vein or differences kini ene likhibo pariba because numbers same hoy pulmonary just that artery and just that vein and third difference is that valves present মানে ইয়াত কি হয় এটা কোম লিখি নিদু কপাট থাকে আৰু কি হয় ক্লোমধমনীৰ বাহিৰে বাকিখিনি ক্লোমোহিৰাৰ বাহিৰে বাকি হিৰাত কি হয় deoxygenated blood flow হয় these are the difference about the artery and veins so etia capillaries to ki hoy capillary hol thinnest capillary is the thinnest blood vessel and jetia amar small intestine absorption hoy food and from the small intestine bladder e hebur amar jiman cells ase jiman tissue ase taleke jay so hey blood khini veins arteries tar majare flow koribo but exchange to jetia hoy tissue means tissue hey oxygen khini ki kore tissue di dia aru tissue tetia oxygen khini glucose khini bhangi die there the exchange takes place only between the capillaries and tissues মানে এক্সচেঞ্জৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত capillaries বহুত ডাঙৰ role আছে because these capillaries helps in exchange of nutrients with the tissue and these capillaries joins together to form veins মানে capillary বোৰ একেলগে জয়েন হৈ পিনে কি ফৰ্ম কৰে vein so যদিও ফাৰ্স্ট তোমালোকৰ human heart or বিষয় আছে but আগতে মই কিছুমান blood means composition তাৰ পিছত blood vessels ৰ কথাখিনি আগতে কৈ লৈছো তেতিয়া next তেতিয়া structure of human heart পঢ়িম human heart টো কেনেকুৱা বা lungs ৰ পৰা কেনেকে heart লৈ যায় বা heart ৰ পৰা lungs লৈ কেনেকুৱা blood যায় হেতু means জানিবলৈ বেছি easy হ'ব next we will study about the human heart okay structure of human heart so this is the heart first heart to bujilo then corpora ifale keneke lungs loke jay keneke body pora ahe hetu ami bujim first let us study about the human heart jodi last video tumalage saisila then hoyto monor ase respiratory system jetia porhisilu there junto amar left lung asile left lung to okoman horuke akisilu and there I have told about the cardiac notch jot heart to thake efale eneke lungs or efale ki asile heart asile moi respiratory system or diagram kotha koisu de so hey heart to yat akisu actually human heart is slightly tilted towards the লেফ্ট সাইডে আমাৰ অকমান বেকা হৈ থাকে এণ্ড দ্যাট ইজ ৱাই হিউমেন হাৰ্টৰ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো যেতিয়া আমি আঁকো দেন স্লাইটলি আমি লেফ্টৰ ফালে আঁকো চ' হিউমেন হাৰ্টটো বাহিৰৰ পৰা চালেতো এনেকৈ নেদেখিবা ছাপ'জ হিউমেন হাৰ্টটো যদি আমি ছেকশ্যন কৰোঁ তাৰ ভিতৰত দেখিম যে ইট ইজ 4 চেম্বাৰ্ড ইয়াত 4টা চেম্বাৰ থাকে 1 2 3 4 এণ্ড এই দুটা যোনটো part আছে means this is the left part and this is the right part so left part and right part to কি হয় এখন ওয়ালেৰে ডিভাইড কৰি দিছে specific নাম আছে হেতু জাস্ট ফার্স্ট জেনারেলি জানি লোৱা দেন we will proceed to the names এখন ওয়ালে ডিভাইড কৰিছে left and right side to even a left part to কি হয় আকৌ দুটা পাৰ্টত ডিভাইড হৈছে ফার্স্ট টু এই দুটা দেন ইয়াতো আকৌ দুটা পাৰ্ট হৈছে 1 2 আৰু ইয়াতো দুটা পাৰ্ট হৈছে 1 2 হেতু কাৰণে কেটা চেম্বাৰ হল এটা দুটা তিনিটা চাৰিটা সো ইয়াত কেটা কোঠালি আছে চাৰিটা and now we will see about the names left right যোনটো ওপৰৰ পাৰ্ট the upper part হেতু কোৱা হয় means upper chamber left side or first let us study about the left side okay so this is known as the left atrium and this is known as the left ventricle means upper chamber naam to hol atrium lower one is the ventricle as this is present in the left side so left atrium and left ventricle next right side to eki just right atrium and right ventricle now left and right side is divided means right part of the heart is divided by a wall which is known as septum hetu kwa hoy septum so ifale blue color and ifale red color a blue color to mane mean kore that here means in the right side only deoxygenated blood enters to the heart and red to hole means oxygenated blood enters and oxygenated blood leaves the heart so ifale ki enter hoy ase deoxygenated blood first enter koribo atriumot যেতিয়া atriumot deoxygenated blood enter হয় তেতিয়া এটো যোনটো means you can see a gate or we can consider it as a gate at actually valve হয় but for simple terms let us consider it as a gate so এই gate খন কি হয় first বন্ধ হৈ থাকে whenever blood will enter blood যেতিয়া enter হ'ব তেতিয়া এই gate খন খুল খাই যায় and from the atrium the blood will pour to the ventricle মানে right atrium or পৰা right ventricle ole ahe so jetia blood khini yat ahi jay jodi ei gate khon khul khai thake then the blood may backflow yar hoyto again blood lower chamber or পৰা upper chamber ole jabo pare so ei gate to bondho hobo lagibo for that purpose this valve gets closed okay and juntu amar heart or sound hoy first love sound to jetia hoy whenever this valve gets closed tetia amar heart or first sound to ahe that is love okay etu close hor pisot this a ventricular blood khini thakile again from this ventricle the blood has to reach the lung yar pora koleke jabo to the lung মানে ventricular পৰা মানে হুনিলৰ পৰা যাব হাও ফলে so যেতিয়া blood খিনি উলাই যাব another gate is present here or another opening is present here so এই blood খিনি যাতে আকৌ ইয়ালৈকে ঘূৰি নাহে for that এইখন গেটটো কি কৰিব লাগিব বন্ধ হ'ব লাগিব so next again jetia ei gate khon bondho hoy tetia heart or second sound to ahe that is dub so same thing happens in the left side also just at a difference here deoxygenated blood enter hoy ase and deoxygenated blood lung ole goi ase aru yat ki hoy ase oxygenated blood ahi ase how far pora to the left atrium mane bowel first ahile to bowel jetia blood bhorti hoy gol tetia etu ki hobo khul khai jabo this valve will be opened up and then the blood will pour into the ventricle means left ventricle tar pisot left ventricle jetia full hoy jabo then again yar pora ki hobo blood khini ifale amar গোটেই টিস্যুজ বা গোটেই সেলস লৈকে যাব লাগিব সো ফৰ ডেট এগেইন দিছ গেট গেটছ অপেন এণ্ড গেটছ ক্ল'জড বাট যেতিয়া খোল খায় তেতিয়া আমাৰ হাৰ্টৰ চাউণ্ডটো নাহে যেতিয়া এই গেট বন্ধ হয় দেন দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট চাউণ্ড কেম and when this opening gets closed or this valve gets closed the second sound of the heart come that is dub. Okay, next we will see why this wall is present a wall khon kyo lage suppose a septum jodi nathakile hoy ba wall nathakile the blood deoxygenated blood and the oxygenated blood may get mixed next চাৰিওফালে যোনটো wall আছে this is septum but চাৰিওফালেও এটা wall আছে we can see that another one we can see এইফালে wall খন কি হয় অকমান মিহি but this side এই বেৰখন কি হয় অকমান হকটকে আকিছো এনেকুৱা নহয় যে akude কিবা ভুল হৈ গল and এটো পাৰ্ট বহল হৈ গল এটো পাৰ্ট সৰু হৈ গল not like that এইফালে কি হৈ আছে আমাৰ deoxygenated blood so deoxygenated blood কলৈকে গৈ আছে to the lung means হাওফাও so হাৰ্টৰ ওচৰতে হাওফাওটো আছে হেতু কাৰণে এই বেৰখন সৰু হয় কাৰণ ভেন্ট্ৰিকললে যেতিয়া মানে যেতিয়া নিলয়লে ব্লাডটো আহে খনিললে যেতিয়া ব্লাডটো আহে তেতিয়া ভেন্ট্ৰিকলটো কি হয় কন্ট্ৰাকশন হয় হি চেপি দিয়াৰ লগে ব্লাডখিনি কলৈকে যায় হাওফাওলে যেহেতু হাওফাওটো ওচৰত আছে গতিকে হিমান বেছি কন্ট্ৰাকশনৰ প্ৰয়োজন নহয় মানে হিমান বেছি চেপিব নালাগে বাট oxygenated blood amar koleke goi ase to all the tissues or cells of our body amar gutei jiman organs ase brain or pora adi kori amar to the leg muscles bhori leke soboleke amar blood khini jabo lagibo so eta long distance travel koribo lage oxygenated blood hetu karone ki hoy ei wall to besi hokot because jiman hokot hobo himan contraction korile ki hobo himan besi speed of blood to jabo paribo For that purpose, this wall is slightly thicker than means the left wall is slightly thicker than the right wall. Next, this is suppose lung boli consider koriso. These are the lung capillaries. So lungot ki hoy we got say oxygen ahe and in the alveoli oxygen to ki hoy blood or logot mix hoy আৰু হে ব্লাড খিনি কি হয় তেতিয়া লাঙৰ পৰা it travel to the heart so suppose alveoli oxygen খিনি ব্লাডত ৰিলিজ কৰিলে means হে ব্লাড খিনি কি হৈ যাব oxygenated blood so that oxygenated blood will enter the left side of the heart so ইয়াত অকল oxygenated blood আহি আছে then this will come to the ventricle and from the ventricle through the aorta jundal blood vessel or through di jabo that is known as aorta juntu kwa hoy mohadhomoni so mohadhomoni through ki hobo the oxygenated blood will pass to the all the tissues or all the organs of our body so you can see here the labeling capillaries in body organs karon exchange to ultimately capillaries or hoy ase mo koisu holo bagot se tissue logor juntu exchange hoy nutrients or ba oxygen or hetu ki he kore capillaries so capillaries in body organs here exchange will takes place again here oxygenated blood ahile so oxygen khini ahipine in cells this oxygen will help in breakdown of glucose or glucose breakdown hor lage ki release hobo energy along with energy carbon dioxide will release so hey carbon dioxide release hor lage blood e ki koribo deoxygenated blood to loi jabo but deoxygenated blood mane etu no hoy je tat olopo oxygen na thake some amount of oxygen is present but less oxygenated blood or jiman oxygen thakibo tatke kom but deoxygenated blood mane etu no hoy je tat okol carbon dioxide e thake and that will be carried to the heart through vena cava so mohahirai ki koribo through the vena cava it will carry the deoxygenated blood to the right side of the heart or right atrium then it will pass to the right ventricle and from the right ventricle the pulmonary artery will carry the deoxygenated blood to the lung so jetia ami artery aru vein or difference pori asilu there at a point mention korisu no it carries oxygenated blood means artery carries only oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. You can see this is the pulmonary artery. So pulmonary artery at ki kori ase deoxygenated blood, kintu jiman amar body artery ase jiman dhomoni ase ki blood carry kore oxygenated. Again from the lungs it will be carried to the left atrium. So circulation to buji ase no heart ot kebar enter hoy ase blood dubar ebar ahile again I gusi gol again ahile again gusi gol. So 1 2 ahile gusi gol. That is why the circulation in human beings unto amar circulation hoy hetu kwa hoy ki double circulation karon yat dubar hoy ase aru tak kwa hoy doito poribohon. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, pulmonary artery to hetu ami palu, but pulmonary veins or yes here. So vein mane hirai ki kore deoxygenated blood carry kore except pulmonary vein. Amar body jiman veins ase jiman hira ase hi ki kore deoxygenated blood loi jay, but only pulmonary vein carries the oxygenated blood to the left side of the heart, or we can say left atrium. So jetia suppose tumalake observe koriba jetia body ki hoy blue color ami dekhu no vein. Yes, we all know about vein mane vein to hunisu enagana hoy je aji first huni asu. So veins bur ki hoy bhitor blue color dekhiba pao skin or tolot jonto visible hoy actually horu kisuman veins dekhi pao no. So there only deoxygenated blood flows. That deoxygenated blood e okol flow hoy thake. Only pulmonary vein ot ki hoy oxygenated blood. Aru arteries bur actually amar body ki hoy বহুত ডেপথত থাকে মানে veins to jeneke skin or dolotai thake ami juntu dekhi pao artery heneke dekhi na pao. Another difference ami pohisilu artery and veins or se artery ki hoy valves absent thake and vein ot asile valves present. Veins ot valves thake jate back flow no hoy blood khini jate eta direction ote jay, means to maintain the direction veins have valve. The arteries into valves take these are thick. Why the walls of the arteries are thick? Because artery through the key flow hoy ase oxygenated blood, and oxygenated blood kole ke jabo lagibo to all the cells and tissues. So flow to means it has to flow in a very high speed. So wall to jetia thick hobo major jontu gap means biology bhashat kobo gole jontu lumen buli kobo. So major gap to ki hoy jabo horu hobo jate speed to barhabo pare. For that the walls of the artery are thicker in comparison to veins, karon besi speed ot gole ki hobo, so it can travel large distance. So human heart to 4 chambered, and jodi ami beleg organisms kisumaner kotha ko, suppose fish, then amphibia ba reptilia juntu amphibia ubhosor ba reptilia ko hoy horikhrip, hebor heart to ki hoy 4 chambered no hoy. Human heart to 4 chambered eru karone hoy karon oxygen or demand to amar besi, karon besi oxygen jabo means amar besi energy release hobo, karon besi glucose breakdown hobo and more energy will be released, and we need a lots and lots of energy karon ami besi activity koru. As well as ki hoy amar body size to bahut dangor hoy. So jiman large size animals ase hiyotor ki hoy 4 chambered heart thake. So fisher jodi sao, fish have only 2 chambered heart, okol atrium and ventricle thake, because it's a very small organism and high energy demand na thake fisher. Then amphibian jodi consider koru means ubosor, they have 3 chambered heart. Olindo duta thake means atrium duta thake, right atrium and left atrium, but only one ventricle. Hetu karone ki hoy, suppose yat jodi ami eta ventricle thake and duta atrium thake, then yat oxygenated and deoxygenated blood to ki hoy jabo mix hoy jabo. So amphibian to ki hoy incomplete double circulation hoy, that complete double circulation no hoy. So in comparison to human, amphibians are very small. Next jodi reptilian kotha ko, in small reptilian heart is 3-chambered. But crocodile, ghorial. So crocodile ki hoy 4-chambered heart thake because it's a very large animal and high energy demand hoy. So double circulation hoy in crocodile as well as they have 4-chambered heart. All mammals they have 4-chambered heart because we need lots and lots of energy for our activities. Jata ame activity pur bhalke koribo par tar karone bahut energy lage and energy karone ki lagibo oxygen. So this is all about the transportation. So let us revise very quickly. First, kiki fluid transportation kore hetu salu. One is blood, another one is lymph. Blood ot kiki thake hetu salu. Plasma, then some formed elements RBC, WBC aru platelets. Eita hol formed elements. Tar pisot lymph, lokhika. Lymph ki kore it carries digested or absorbed fat, means it also helps in transportation. Then next ami blood vessels or kotha salu, which is very very important. Artery and veins and capillaries. Artery aru veins or ki difference ase hetu ami likhi loisu. Then we have discussed about the structure of human heart aru korpora koleke blood jai, again ki he blood bur koleke ane, what are their specific names, everything we have discussed in this video. And next we will discuss about the transportation in plants. Till then, thank you. Happy learning.